Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So what are we doing today? We're out here at Ferne Clyffe after a nice rain, and I'm gonna do the Rebman Trail. It's only half a mile. It's got a couple of cool waterfalls in the back, so let's check it out. Starts off a little muddy, buddy. Woo! Make sure you got some good shoes if it's wet season out here. Climbing and rappelling are allowed in this area only. So they opened that up last few years for rock climbers to come out, and animals like to rest under there, and pretty neat little area. Gotta watch out for gnomes in the woods though.
Might be a gnome in there.
A gnome in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. That tree, oh my goodness, look at that. That is like hollow, like my soul. That's like nature's toilet, man. Whew. I wonder if you like get the right wind in there, if that would make like a whoo kind of noise. Good old Emma Rebman, 1864 to 1951. She owned this property back in the day and deeded it over to the state of Illinois for the park. It's pretty cool, man. Now I know I and others before me have filmed these trails a lot of times, but they never get old. They're always awe-inspiring when you come out here and see them for the first time, for the 10th time, for the 50th time. They're just that beautiful.
Wash your cares away, worries for another day. Let the music play down in Fraggle Rock.
Dental Rock. It's always a neat little area to climb up. Come up to some good stuff up here. Rock Climber's Paradise. I am the gnome of the woods. You shall not pass. What is the password? Don't say that name. So, what'd you think of the trail?
It was great.
Well,
It's beautiful when it rains.
when it rains, when it doesn't rain. But, like you say, with the rain, what's the added bonus?
Waterfalls flowing.
Oh yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls unless you want to see some beautiful ones.
You can definitely find them here.
Yep. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'll catch you all again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.